Now we'll look at the fill function. The fill function is different from some other functions because you don't start with a prompt. You start with a partially completed table. Here's my inventor table, and I filled in the row for Thomas Edison, but for the other inventors, I don't have any more information about them. I just have their names in the inventor column. And I want to fill in the data about the other inventors. So I'm going to click in the cell next to Eli Whitney, and I'll type in my fill formula. =, GP, and I can select GPT fill from the menu. And I'm going to select the range from the Thomas Edison information, F44 to I44, and comma, and now I'll select Eli Whitney as the input and close parentheses. There's one more thing I want to do, and that is to drop some dollar signs into the range. So I'm going to click between F and 44, type a dollar sign, and do the same for I-44. This will allow me to drag down to get additional data for the other inventors. Now I'll press enter. And now I got the data for Eli Whitney. I click in the cell that says cotton gin. I'm going to point at the lower right corner, and my cursor turns into a cross. I'll drag down to the bottom of the invention column. And now I've got the data for the other inventors. If I want to add an inventor, or let's say I want to add a couple of inventors, I type in their names. I can select the last invention cell that's filled in the invention column, drag down, and I can add data for new inventors.